Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. Terra Classic coin is back. We are surprised to see Terra Classic pumping massively in the past 48 hours. Now, LUNC actually hit 29% rise in price today and 25% rise in the past 7 days. The truth is, Terra Classic has been going down, but this recent price pump pushing Terra Classic to gain 29% increase today have actually helped Terra Classic coin. This is the first time since the past 3 months or 4 months we also saw Terra Classic massively increasing in price. We also saw Terra Classic spark. We also saw Terra Classic hit over 15% increase in price within 24 hours. Now LUNC 29% increase today shows that there is big hope for Terra Classic coin. There is hope that this coin soon will definitely rise, will increase, and of course will delete some zeros. I'm happy for Terra Classic coin. I'm happy to see the recent price spark. I'm happy to see the recent price pump. So many people, so many media, so many bloggers are all now talking about Terra Classic. What could be pushing Terra Classic towards almost 30% increase in price today? What is that thing that really pushing Terra Classic? I believe if they continue this way, in 7 days we might end up recording over 300% increase in price. But I know it's not easy, but let's hope for the best. 29% today, 25% in the past 7 days is amazing. And also BTC, even though Bitcoin is not really doing well, I'm surprised to see that most coins are on red, including Bitcoin. But Terra Classic today is actually on green, increasing massively despite BTC dropping in price. So this is amazing to see Terra Classic beating that record of single price pump whereby so many crypto coins are actually dropping in price. Remember, this is not the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.